Okay, so what you're gonna do is go ahead and go to master gain volume, make sure that's at 100. Come down to audio mix, make sure you're on sucker punch. Go to as meter, I don't know, the hearing compensation, turn on. And then go to configure frequency intensity. Okay. Now you're gonna make the left and right the exact same. What you're going to want to do is you're not going to run anything over 2000 Hertz, so make sure you go to 40, 40, then 15. Make sure both left and right you set them the same, and watch your ears while you're setting them because you're going to hear some loud ringing.